Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today we are going to talk about the best gold-themed accessories available in the market.
The CASADN 80s 90s accessories outfit for men-women hip-hop costume kit. The CASADN 80s 90s accessories outfit is the perfect accessory kit for anyone looking to nail the 80s or 90s hip-hop look. This kit includes everything you need to stand out in themed parties or Halloween events. The set includes twist leg punk sunglasses, a fake gold chain, a dollar pendant necklace, kanji blessing lucky gold-plated rings, and a hip-hop hat. The high-quality materials used in this kit ensure durability and comfort. The rings and dollar necklace are made of alloy, while the fake gold chain is made of acrylic. The size of the accessories is suitable for most people, with an adjustable hat and a 32-inch chain and necklace. The classic retro design of these accessories makes them a perfect gift for 80s or 90s theme parties, Christmas, birthdays, and more. The CASADN 80s 90s accessories outfit will make you stand out from the crowd with its bright golden colors and classic hip-hop style. The set is perfect for themed parties and Halloween events, and as a fun addition to your wardrobe. In conclusion, the CASADN 80s 90s accessories outfit is a must-have for anyone looking to rock the 80s or 90s hip-hop style. With high-quality materials and a classic design, this accessory set is sure to make you the life of the party. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.